You've heard of saving. You've heard of investing. But have you ever heard of silent multiplication, the secret method the smartest people use to grow their money without anyone noticing? True wealth doesn't shout. It's built quietly, through patience, systems, and strategic positioning. While others chase hype, silent wealth builders focus on momentum, assets that earn while they sleep. They create three invisible streams: automated income, money that flows in without their daily effort; value-based growth, skills or businesses that multiply value over time; protected capital, investments shielded from emotional decisions and short-term greed. They don't chase what's trending. They chase what's timeless. They understand that financial peace is not about showing off, it's about never having to explain. If you want to build invisible wealth, start with 3 rules. Stop broadcasting your plans. Automate your money flow. Think in decades, not days. Because real success isn't loud, it's unmistakable. This is your sign to master the invisible wealth strategy. Start today and let your results make the noise.